overall, our focus is, we're starting brand new. Going into conference, we're 0-0. Our plan is to just work hard. We're an effort-based team, and that's what we feed off of, that effort to get our positive energy to beat teams. So that's what our focus is. We're going to go in with the same game plan we had against Southern Miss the past 2 games. They're a great team. It's hard to beat a team 3 times, so we definitely have to come out and be ready to play hard. It's going to be a great matchup. We match up well, guards, post and post. One thing we are going to focus on is stopping their best point guard, Jameer Faulkner. She's a great player, and we just can't let her control the game. And our second time playing them, beating them in overtime, she controlled the game. So our main focus is to, kind of keep her tamed and do what we have to do for the rest of the game.
Right now, everybody's really excited to go down here and play. We're all in the locker room talking about it. We're excited. We have a lot of energy right now, and we know that we're going to need that to carry onto the floor to get a lot of loose balls, rebounds, and things like that, because that's what's going to help us win in the end. It's hard playing a team 3 times and winning 3 times, but I'm very confident in our team and what we can do, and I feel like they're very confident, and we know that we can hang with any team in the league, so we're just going to take that energy into every game that we get to play.
Well, honestly, we pulled out a win there where I didn't think we played particularly well. We played very well in the overtime, but really our game plan for the game as a whole wasn't carried out very well defensively. So I think the key to Southern Miss is we have to keep Jameer Faulkner under wraps. She had 25 points and 13 rebounds. That's not exactly keeping her under wraps. So we made a lot of mistakes in our defensive game plan. It will be very important that we get back on that game plan and execute it well. Well, honestly, for us in particular, I think our wins and losses in conference play has really rested on our defense. And the days that we are locked into our defensive game plan, we've got a chance to beat any team in this conference. We played SMU close here, the #1 seed. We beat East Carolina early in the conference season. We lost a close game early to Tulane, at Tulane. We swept UAB, the #4 seed, so we feel really good against the upper seeds in this conference, but we have to commit to playing on the defensive end of the floor. And honestly, I think the inconsistency that you've seen from us perhaps has happened with many other teams in this league. But I think it just speaks to the parity in Conference USA. I think from top to bottom, it is an outstanding conference. We have moved up in the last 3 or 4 years from the 13th best conference in the country to #7. So Conference USA, in terms of women's basketball, has continued to get better and better, and I think you're seeing great parity in our league. We need Nicole Dixon to be a senior that understands what this tournament is about, that understands that you can throw the records out the window once you hit Conference USA, and it's really about the teams that are really excited to play in this tournament, the teams that execute the best, and the teams that handle special situations the best. And we're just going to need Nicole Dixon to help us keep our teams focused in that regard. It's no secret that we really live and die on 3 scores. Nicole Dixon certainly, Ariel Hearn on the all-freshman team, and Bilquis Abdul-Qadir, but we're going to need great defensive efforts from several other players on our team. We're going to need great rebounding from the other so-called nameless, that I haven't named, players on this team. And we're going to need to play our roles incredibly well. But Nicole Dixon, obviously a great Player of the Year candidate, a great long-term player here at the University of Memphis, will go down in the history books in many, many categories. But this week, we need her to be the cheerleader in the locker room, on the sidelines, and in the huddles, and help this team understand what it is to play in a Conference USA tournament.